Hey guys, I'm going to be answering the question if it is possible to view the full name of a GCash recipient. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and have a look if this is possible. So from here, open up GCash and then go and find that recipient. So for this case here, I'm going to send 1,000 to this person here, but as you can see, I cannot see the recipient's full name. So GCash does not typically display the full name of a recipient directly when you're sending money. When you send money via GCash, you typically only see the recipient's registered mobile number, which is here, and their nickname, which is dependent on the settings. However, if you have the person's contact saved on your phone or in your GCash contact list, you might see the nickname or a name linked to their number. Now, if you need to verify the recipient's identity or full name, it's a good idea to confirm the details with them before directly making a transfer.